The second character we want to learn from is Joseph of Arimathea. In Mark chapter 15, we see the story of Joseph who, after the crucifixion, when everybody else was running away, quietly but boldly went to Pilate to ask him for Jesus' body. That was a risky move. It was counterculture and very unpopular in his circles. What we learn from Joseph is that peace is not passive. Real peace fuels courage, and it will give you clarity when panic wants to overwhelm. Joseph found his calm in anchoring his soul in what he believed and in living out of his own conviction, not the opinions of man around him. So why don't you try this on your journey towards inner peace? Whenever you are faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself, what would courage look like if it was rooted in peace and not in pressure? And then just take one step in that direction.